What is the primary goal of machine learning? Which type of machine learning involves the use of labeled data for training? In supervised learning, what are the two main types of tasks? What is the goal of regression techniques in machine learning? Which of the following is an example of a classification problem? What algorithm is commonly used for classification tasks in machine learning? Which of the following statements about unsupervised learning is true? What is a common application of unsupervised learning? Which machine learning technique is used for minimizing errors by adjusting model parameters iteratively? What is the difference between regression and classification?